In the past 1 month, COVID 19 has taken a severe toll in India's population and its medical structure. It has not only wreaked havoc in the lives of millions but also caused irreparable damage to the country's self esteem. The National Institute of Virology, Pune, has identified another variant of COVID 19 virus through genome sequencing. The name of the new severe COVID variant, which is detected in India, is named as B1.617.2. The rise of this deadly virus threatens to prolong the pandemic. On May 31st, 2021, WHO assigns labels to COVID variant strain found in India to be called as Delta. The WHO said that B1.617.2 strain of COVID virus, which was first discovered in India, will now be referred as the Delta variant of COVID 19. WHO announced a new naming system for the different variants of COVID 19. Each variant will be given name from the Greek alphabet that has been identified as variants of interest and variants of concern. Under the new scheme, B.1.1.7, the variant first identified in Britain will be known as Alpha. B.1.351 detected in South Africa will be called as Beta. B.1 variant detected in Brazil will be known as Gamma. B.1.617.2 variant found in India is known as Delta, and the earlier variant B.1.717.1 found in India is known as Kappa. The labels were chosen by WHO with consultation with the experts around the world. An expert group consisting of nomenclature and virus taxonomic experts, researchers, and national authorities for these names. What is a variant? It is a form or version of something that differs in some respect from other forms of the same thing. Now let's know about the Delta variant. The Delta variant, scientifically termed as B1.617.2 of the COVID 19 infections, refers to the merging of two mutations of a virus strain. It contains mutations from two separate virus variants, namely E484Q and L452R. First, it was detected in the state of Maharashtra in October last year. Considering the Delta variant carries the genetic code from two other mutations, it becomes more easy for it to break into the human immune system and invade the organs. So, it is highly infectious and transmissible. Last month, WHO categorized it as a variant of concern (VOC) and said that it is more dominant than Alpha variant. Our study says that the Delta variant is dominant in India, which can cause breakthrough infections. Mostly, Delta variant is detected in Delhi, Andhra Pradesh, Gujarat, Maharashtra, Odisha, and Telangana. New Delta variant emerges with unfamiliar symptoms being a virulent. It severely affects lungs, causes pulmonary complications, poses greater risk of pneumonia, hearing loss, severe gastric problems, even blood clotting causing gangrene, severe stomach pain, diarrhea, appetite loss, and nausea. The growing number of Delta variants has become a cause of concern as it is highly infectious. According to separate studies conducted by AIIMS Delhi and NCDC, National Center for Disease Control, it was suggested that Delta variant can escape antibodies from doses of COVID vaccine. According to AIIMS and NCDC, the new Delta strains have the ability to invade immune response. There are chances that the vaccines may not be very effective against them. However, getting vaccinated is very important to minimize the chances of COVID infection and rate of severity in people.